What the heck was that? I don't know, one. Maybe it's an oversized meatball. Could be right.
Snatch!
Can someone tell me what's carrying my very body as I speak? Wait, where am I?
Big, 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 big.
The what now?
Big, 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 big.
Oh, now I know what you're talking about.
E. E. E.
G. 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 Shake!